Yumi, and this is the hot seat. Today in the hot seat we have Ms Coulter.
Hi.
Ms Coulter, are you ready to keep your cool in the hot seat?
I think so.
Your time in the hot seat starts now. What did you have for breakfast?
A note bar.
Name one person, alive or not, you'd like to have dinner with.
David Attenborough.
What's your favorite gadget?
My iPhone.
If you weren't in your current role, what would you be doing?
Oh, a physiotherapist.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
Italy.
What's in your bag?
A book.
Here are some special questions about Scotland. True or false? Glasgow is the capital city of Scotland.
False.
What is haggis?
It is sheep's stomach and oats.
What famous Scottish song do these two lines come from? And send him homeward to think again.
Flower of Scotland.
It's quick fire question time. Action or comedy?
Comedy.
Pirates or ninjas?
Pirates.
Messy or tidy?
Messy.
Text or call?
Sorry?
Text or call?
Cold.
Roller coaster or water slides?
Roller coaster.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
Sweet or savory?
Savoury.
And that's time. Thank you for coming along today and being such a good sport. Who would you like to nominate next?
I would like to nominate Mr. Steele and Miss Russo.
Okay, Mr. Steele and Miss Russo, you're next. Prepare yourselves for the hot seat.